May isang napakalakas na fighter na tinagurian na hari ng England. Mala Vikings ang kanyang anyo at galawan at talaga namang basagan na mukha kung makipaglaban.
Into the action.
Corner, Martin Raffle!
Oh, good shot from Rafael.
Good shot from Rafael. It was like a jab come hook, was it?
Yeah, becomes such a good shot from Rafael.
Holding him.
Rafael. I think that was about right
Yeah.
as well. Oh, it's over. It's finished.
They must be bad, them cuts then, Tom.
Pero ang hari ng England na ito na may malabato-batong kamao ay nabaldado pagkatapos lumaban kay Rolando D na ating pambato.
I've been looking forward to this.
Yeah, smother him, keep on top of him. It doesn't matter how untidy it looks. If it works, and it's working for him, Tom.
All you have to do is win it. You know, Rolando.
Yeah.
He keeps smiling.
Hard to defend against Tom.
Whoever wins it,
30 seconds remaining.
it ain't easy to win a bet. He's impressed me, Rafael.
Rolando Gabriel D o mas kilala bilang Rolando D ay ang anak ng Philippine boxing legend na si Rolando Navarrete. Bagamat anak ng boxing legend ay hindi naging madali ang pinagdaanan ng buhay ng batang ito. Alam naman natin na bagamat naging kampyon ay lugmok sa kahirapan ng kanyang ama na si Rolando Navarrete. Kaya bata pa lamang sariling sikap na ang ginawa ng ating bida upang maiahon ng kanyang sarili sa kahirapan nila. Kung ano-anong trabaho at diskarte ang pinasok niya noong kanyang kabataan. Hindi siya dumepende sa kasikatan ng ama. Gumawa siya ng sariling pangalan sa combat sport at larangan ng palakasan. Lumaban na siya sa UFC, Brave CF at Abu Dhabi Warriors hanggang pinasok niya ang mas brutal na pakikipaglaban ng bare knuckle boxing. Walang gloves at purong kamao lang ang ginagamit sa pakikipaglaban.
Lightweight title against one of the hottest fighters in BKB today. Top contender, Rolando D.
Lahat ng kanyang nakalaban ay halos matigok. 50-50 ang nangyari dahil sa lakas ng kanyang kamao.
That's where he. Oh,
To see that.
oh,
As well in the ring waiting for more. And could that be conditioning issues from not making weight? Conditioning issues, you know, quick shot there by D.
Walang gloves at purong kamao, suntukang walang peke at arte. Talagang gamit ang kamao na kayang basagin ang bungo. At ang kanyang debut dito ay noong December 4, araw ng linggo, taong 2022. Nakalaban niya ang pinakabrutal na underground fighter ng Thailand. Si Apisit Sangmuang ay napakatindi ng kamao, pero ang Thai na ito ay first round lang sa ating pambato.
Ciampolini asking both fighters, are you ready for the war? Call them knuckle up or round number one. Red trunks, Filipino Rolando D. Yellow trunks for the Thai opposite side. Counter right hand and just like that, from his back, down goes opposite Samuel. And you can tell he's going to come through with power. Look at his counter record pressure right there. Impersonation. Wow.
Araw naman ng linggo, September 16 taong 2023 ay muling dumayo ang ating pambato sa Indigo 02 Arena, Greenwich, London, United Kingdom. Makakaharap niya rito si George Hillward ng United Kingdom. Apelido pa lang na Helliard, para ba itong galing sa impyerno? Pinakabrutal naman lalaro na nakalaban ng ating pambato. Pero katulad ng mga naunang kalaban, round 4 lang ito sa ating kababayan.
Touch with the left, drop the right hand
oh, and
again.
again through. Oh, got through again and again.
Push now, Tom, maybe push him. Take that to have a little.
And three. Oh, but that's where he. Oh,
To see that.
walk on fighting to feed me family. Oh, good shot.
Steady pressure, steady pressure. Right in there, yeah, George. That's it, go, George.
And then back up there. Yeah. Oh, shot. Oh. And these. Oh, but that's where he. Oh,
To see that.
oh.
Araw naman ng Sabado, October 12 taong 2024 ay muling dumayo si Rolando sa John Charles Center, Yorkshire, United Kingdom. Makakaharap niya ang knockout artist ng United Kingdom na si Hayden Sheriff.
Body shot, super body shot. That hurt.
Oh, that hurt. Yeah, bit of a delayed reaction. But
Pero katulad ng mga naunang kalaban, round number 2 lang siya sa ating kababayan. Dahil sa mga tagumpay na ito ni Rolando ay nabigyan siya ng pagkakataon na lumaban at lumipad sa bansang Amerika. Noong araw ng Sabado, May 31 taong 2025 sa Prime Osborne Convention Center, Jacksonville, Florida, United States of America, nangyari ang isang kasaysayan. Dalawang anak ng boxing legend ang maglalaban. Ang ating bida, si Rolando D, anak ni Rolando Navarrete, at si Alcibay Duran, anak ni Roberto Duran ng USA. Pero kahit superstar at anak ng boxing legend ang kalaban, round 3 lang ang itinagal niya sa ating kababayan.
Stands fighter, but we've not seen him come out southpaw before.
Again, look at that counter right hand there. Does the
Good counter and explosion by very little MMA for Robert Duran Jr. Use round 1 in the books. That setback against Sarat Manassian, and he knew
jockey for position, so it's not really a lot of rest. See D again.
and a couple of final favors his style and skill set into the talks.
See, you can show that D has a slip and slide on the inside. Any issues from not making weight. Conditioning issues, you know. Big shot there by D.
He's looking to finish it right here, right now.
Oh, big shot again. As Duran moved his hand.
He's in trouble.
At the high
Bad
guard.
stands and down he goes again.
One.
The Incredible! Corner, the challenger, representing the Philippines, with a BKB record of 1 fight and 1 win, Rolando D. Opponent stands in the red corner, the reigning and defending champion, representing Peterborough, with a BKB record of 4 wins and 1 defeat, Martin the Rebel!
Umpisa pa lang ng laban ay gigil na kagad ang hambog na Viking na kalaban, pero hindi dito nagpatalo ang ating kababayan at siya ay nakipagsabayan.
this one, I know
All
we're
been
saying-
great fight, but this
Yeah.
one just
Oh, straight in.
Wow.
Straight in there, Rafael. Trying to
Wow, what a toe-to-toe. Hey, you talk toe-to-toe. This is toe-to-toe.
Good shot, I mean. Rafael's put it straight on him. Back he comes though. Rolando D. back.
Rounds, not with as much action as
Yeah.
we've seen in the first 10 seconds.
And in the hand, straight in. But yeah, you know, it is everything there trying to. Ooh, and he comes again. Rolando before in the past. You know, he's a
He wants to
smooth-
control the-
Not letting him do that, you know, that slick move. Look at that, his footwork out the way as well. You know, not one of them shots from Rolando out to something silly. So far though, the game is
5.
Yep. Yep. Oh.
Dito sa round number 2, matindi ang naging palitan ng dalawang naglalaban, pero mas umangat talaga ang kahambugan ng kalaban.
Like we said in the past, Tom, this is got 5 rounds. You know, he's doing right tactics so far, but can he keep this up?
Can he
for
keep
5
it up?
rounds? Oh, good shot!
Brilliant shot.
Fernando
He rocked it.
Thomas
He
is
rocked
on this. These
He's
are
done his
his
homework.
Yep, smother him, keep on top of him. It doesn't matter how one-sided it looks.
Sa lakas ng suntok ni Rolando D na ating kababayan, nabasag na dito ang pagmumukha ng kalaban.
Rafael's face there, you know, I just hope he can get through these.
So when you look at one-sided, then you look at
Yeah.
then you look at good fight.
Good fight.
Yeah, that's the thing, it's swelling up the jaw.
Swelling,
The cheekbone.
Yep, cheekbone's gone possibly. Nice work from both guys on the inside, but felt nice with that uppercut. Tried that right uppercut there, bit of success. Treated tonight again, you know, with tonight's card.
Round number 3, halatang hilo na ang kalaban dahil sa tindi ng sugat na natamo na mula sa ating kababayan.
Yeah, didn't even give him a chance to get off the stool, like you said, Tom. He was straight in. Tom,
That's a great fight.
what's a fight?
I had a feeling he could be fight of the night.
Rolando, he likes to hold the centres, take it his own pace, pick his shots. Oh,
Yeah, you wouldn't want to break into either of their homes and get caught, would you? Why these?
I wouldn't have said you'd like to break, but I've been done 3 times as it goes.
Pouring out of his.
Yeah, that's a bad, you know, that's bad damage to the face. Oh, nice little combination.
Quick hands, you know, Rolando.
Yeah.
He's got. I mean,
Oh, but you can see, I don't know if it's coming in the corner of the eye. It might
you
look.
never know. He never knows when he's beaten. Martin Feld. That's the strength of the guy. He'll keep coming and hunting you
In
down.
the fight.
Look at the face of Rolando. He's got some
There, he's got some
marks as
yeah.
well. This is a great fight.
But this
1 round
pace-
apiece so far.
This pace suits Rolando a lot more.
Great move.
Round number 4, hindi pa napapansin ng kalaban na boksingero na ang kanyang malalang sugat sa ulo ay talagang pipinsala ng gusto at kalaunan ay magpapabaldado sa boksingerong ito.
He's starting to lick him again now, but when he first put the blood in the eye, the flow of blood in the eye. Left uppercut, come left.
Now,
He's all over the place.
Now,
Legs are a bit
that's
wobbly
leveled it
now.
up.
Yep. His legs are all over the place. A little bit there, and now his legs are gone, Tom. He's struggling.
it's like a pendulum.
Yeah,
It's gone
back
one way.
Oh, there he comes again. Rafael doubling up on them hooks.
It's 10 seconds of the 4th round.
And that's the end of round 4.
Round number 5, halos hindi na makagalaw ang kalaban sa dami ng dugo na nawala sa kanyang katawan.
So is Martin Raffel. They promised they would last night when I spoke to them, and they've lived up to that.
Mounting his step and he's moving back.
1 minute left.
He's looking for the knockout, isn't he?
He's working there.
Rolando
well.
D is looking for that big punch.
Yeah, he's working well.
30 seconds
It
remaining.
ain't easy to win a belt, is it?
See this again. A good shot again. Rolando D.
Impress me, Raffel.
I think he's boxed well. He's one of the best.
Impress me.
Panalo man dito ang fighter ng United Kingdom, pero nabaldado talaga siya pagkatapos ng laban sa tindi ng pinsala na natamo niya mula sa ating kababayan.